If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Alright, y'all. Right now, we're going to check out CHUNG Killing Me. Shout out to Salvi. If you guys didn't know, Salvi worked on the edits for CHUNG. Big ting. But he worked with CHUNG, her like the team. Bro. I'm so happy that you got to work with her since you came here down to LA. Bro, I love it when I see my friends succeed. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. And then my intro plays like, you know, where's my intro? I think I played.
Bitch, why are you mad?
Okay, that's not it. Alright. When it's a Drake CHUNG collab, man, I'm banking on Salvi. I'm banking on Salvi. Anyway, I have to surprise y'all. The 29th, D-Day. Oh, today's the 29th! That's crazy! I'm stupid. I'm dumb. I heard this is a little bit different too, so I'm pretty excited. Why was it called Killing Me too? That's what
Everything feels so strange. 바뀐 일상 속에 문을 닫고 맘을 닫고 everything now has changed.
Damn, she's so pretty, yo. Wait, hold up. Yo, wait a sec. She's so pretty.
Everything feels so strange. 바뀐 일상 속에 문을 닫고 맘을 닫고 everything now has changed.
Let's go.
고립된 공간에 홀로 남겨진 채 lost in the maze I'm insane 계속된 hide and seek stuck with you 반복되는 힘겨운 요인
Wait, what?
겨울같이 숨 막히게 번져간 blue a little too soon it's killing me 기나긴 터널이 내리
Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, it's like the end of the world? Oh no, she's so scared. It's like an earthquake, no? Oh my. Damn, she filling up on the wall like that? I mean, it's like a wall closing in, right? Some dusty ass mirror, yo. Someone need to clean that. She going through it here, yeah. Yo, who did this to you? Who making you cry? I swear to God. What? Why do I feel like somebody's behind me? Sorry, I just freaked out myself. Wait, every time she opens it, she's like, it's a new. Isn't it Korea? Aww. Oh my god, I forgot how tiny she is. She is pretty like tiny, right? I mean, that's what I think. It's cute, it's cute. Yo, that stare down though. With like the runny makeup, oh my god. Interesting shot, transition shot. It's pretty simple, but it's dope. Wait, yeah, there is. She even made a TikTok chat. Ah, okay. The Russian dolls are making her cry. Yeah, she is tiny. Yeah. It's a little bit different from what she done before. Wait, so each time. Wait, is it each time she opens the doll, it's like her birthday passes, or? Oh, her hair though. Oh, that shot though, right? This is. I love how she's looking right here. I mean, she always looking beautiful. It's like a Pandora box. Yeah. And then this shot right here. Oh, money maker. Let's go. This is right here is interesting to me too. Oh, this right here. Not me appreciating like CHUNG, you know. Ooh, girl. Like, oh my god. Yo, fam.
killing me, easily know it's your baby.
Ooh, is that her real eye color too? Like Hazel, like mine? Are we like matching? Interesting. Nothing is for me? Damn, girl.
All too soon. It's killing me, killing me, killing me, turning night.
Yeah, like in this music video, like everything goes from wholesome to like problem after problem after problem, like opening Pandora's box with like the Russian dolls. Like right after that, like damn, life falling apart. This is me on a daily basis. I'm like, god damn, everything is just falling. What the fuck? And not saying anything when it's kind of weird, bro. Bro, do you see her lips? You know what? Listen. Yes, I do have a girlfriend, but you know what? My girlfriend thinks she's hella pretty and sexy too. Guess what? Heels on fleek. God damn. And the little braid with the like the white and black, the yellow and black, the blonde and black. Oh, let's go, Chunga. Give it up for Chunga, y'all. Hype it up in the chat.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.